Hi everyone, so fitted Sena 10C Evo to my Shui Neotech helmet, all wired up, all good to go. So just to recap, it is an all-in-one action cam. It's a communication device and a camera device all in one. And via Bluetooth I can team up with 3 other riders and have a conversation, and also at the same time be filming it with a 4K facility camera, so I can actually film in 4K 3 other riders. So really excited to explain more with you. So to turn the device on is quite simple. You hold and press at the same time the phone button and the jog dial. To link up with other riders, you need to press the jog dial down and hold for 5 seconds. And once they are, I've not got one to demonstrate, once they are linking up, it'd be flashing red, and you would need to press the jog, or one of you would need to press to connect. So pairing up with other riders, and then you can turn the camera on. Very important before you turn your camera on that your SD card is in and your SD card is formatted. Now I believe you can actually format the SD card by the device itself or by the app on the phone, which is I'll show you the app on the phone in shortly. Turning the camera on, hold the camera button down for 1 second. And to stop recording, the same again, press for 1 second. Recording stopped. Another useful, you can actually take a still photo by just a quick tap of the camera. You're not able to take a quick photograph, a quick still photograph, if you're recording in 4K. So 4K you cannot take the still photograph. Okay, so I suppose the next stage really is to download on your smartphone the Sena app. So go into your Apple Store or Android Store and download your Sena camera. So it's got to be the Sena camera app, that's important. So your camera is not connected, tap the button below to connect camera. 10C Evo. Press the phone button and the jog dial for 1 second to turn the headset on, so that's on. Tap the camera button to turn the camera and Wi-Fi on, so we've done that, so the camera's on. Connect your camera, go to settings, Wi-Fi on your phone and select your 10 Evo. Enter the password Sena 40. So we go to settings. There we are. Okay, so very important then, the camera needs to be on to activate the Wi-Fi on the device. And then you need to search for your device, 10C Evo. So we'll click on that. Password is CENA join. So we're now joined, and we go back into the app, connect camera, 10C, and as you can see there, because I've got the head cam on, and so I can adjust the camera accordingly.
Recording.
Okay, so looking at the
Recording.
so as you can see, the app actually is very good, and what it means is that I can set the camera before I get going. I can use the little switch left and right look to get it level depending on how the camera is mounted, and also depending on your riding style, you've got the adjustable mount. You can go up and down, so if you're on a sports bike you can still adjust the camera so it's viewing up. So play around with it, get your view set. Not sure what the volume's going to be, but that really is a very simple app to download onto your phone and work out how it's going to, how you can benefit. You can change your settings and stuff like that. So very pleased with that. Again, hope you like the video. Comment away, and any questions, I'll do my best to